Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get your introduction going. So for this introduction and the essay, I'm doing an essay on sea turtles. That is my example. So I did a little bit of research on sea turtles, and you'll see over here in the side, I have 3 facts that I laid down. These 3 facts are going to be the main fact for each of my body paragraphs, okay? But this is the introduction, so all we have to do is we have to mention these 3 facts that we gathered from our research. So I'm going to indent, and my introduction sentence is just going to be what I'm talking about in this essay. So I'm just going to make a fancy sentence like, sea turtles are some of the most interesting creatures in the sea. Okay, just a quick sentence to lay down what we're talking about. And then the preceding 3 sentences, the next 3 sentences I'm going to write are going to be these 3 facts here on the side. So my first fact is they are green because of what they eat. They eat algae and seagrass. So I'm not going to talk about algae and seagrass yet. I'm going to leave that for my body paragraph. But one of my sentences is going to be sea turtles are green because of what they eat. Actually, I'm going to put, for example, sea turtles. Oops, there we go. So because of this sentence right here, I said sea turtles are some of the most interesting creatures in the sea. Now I'm telling you why I think that is the case. For example, sea turtles are green because of what they eat. My next sentence is going to be summarizing this. So, sea turtles lay their eggs in a nest. They dig in the sand with their rear flippers. The group of eggs is called a clutch. So for this sentence, I'm just going to put sea turtles lay their eggs in a nest. They dig with their flippers. And then for my final sentence, I'll put finally, leatherback sea turtles have existed in their current form since the age of the dinosaurs. Okay, so what I did is I gave you a little introductory sentence telling you what we're talking about, and then the next 3 sentences were me laying down the 3 facts I'm going to talk about in my body paragraph, and then my conclusion sentence is going to be my thesis. So for this thesis, it would be sea turtles have proven to be one of the most resilient creatures on the planet. Why is that my thesis? So what I am talking about in this whole essay is how sea turtles have existed through time and space on this planet. They lived through the dinosaur extinction, and they still exist today. They can live upwards of over 150 years old. Like, sea turtles are pretty crazy. So that's what I'm going to be proving in this essay, is that sea turtles are resilient creatures and that they have all these interesting things about them, okay? And then from here on, like I said, my body number 1, body number 1 is going to be green because of what they eat. Body number, you're not going to list it like this, I'm just giving you an example. Body number 2 is how they lay their eggs. And then body number 3 is how they've been the same since the dinosaurs. Okay? And then your conclusion is going to be restating your introduction with different words.
Okay, so you're essentially going to say the same thing that you said up here, but you're going to reword it a little bit into your conclusion. So your intro and your conclusion pretty much look identical, but you just have to say it a little bit differently and wrap up your entire essay. And you can finish it with like a sentence like, I'm glad that we are still able to study sea turtles today. You know, you can end it like real nice and fancy, put a little bow on it. All right, so I hope that helped. Let me know if you still have any questions about this. Thank you for asking about this question about how to set up an intro, because I definitely want to make videos for you like this if you need them. All right, let me know. Have a good day.